13 foods that are good for high blood pressure. 1. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain anthocyanins, which can help reduce a person's blood pressure. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. Researchers conducted a large study with more than 34,000 people with hypertension. They found that those with the highest intake of anthocyanins, mainly from blueberries and strawberries, had an 8% reduction in the risk of high blood pressure, compared to those with a low anthocyanin intake. 2. Bananas. Bananas contain plenty of potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in managing hypertension. One medium-sized banana contains around 422 milligrams of potassium. According to the American Heart Association, potassium reduces the effects of sodium and alleviates tension in the walls of the blood vessels. 3. Leafy greens. Potassium helps your kidneys get rid of more sodium through your urine. This in turn lowers your blood pressure. Leafy greens, which are high in potassium, include romaine lettuce, arugula, kale, turnip greens, collard greens, spinach, beet greens, Swiss chard. 4. Red beets. Beets are high in nitric oxide, which can help open your blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Researchers also found that the nitrates in beetroot juice lowered research participants' blood pressure within just 24 hours. You can juice your own beets or simply cook and eat the whole root. Beetroot is delicious when roasted or added to stir-fries and stews. You can also bake them into chips. Be careful when handling beets, the juice can stain your hands and clothes. 5. Skim milk and yogurt. Skim milk is an excellent source of calcium and is low in fat. These are both important elements of a diet for lowering blood pressure. You can also opt for yogurt if you don't like milk. According to the American Heart Association, women who ate 5 or more servings of yogurt a week experienced a 20% reduction in their risk for developing high blood pressure. 6. Oatmeal. Oatmeal fits the bill for a high-fiber, low-fat, and low-sodium way to lower your blood pressure. Eating oatmeal for breakfast is a great way to fuel up for the day. Overnight oats are a popular breakfast option. To make them, soak 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of nut milk in a jar. In the morning, stir and add berries, granola, and cinnamon to taste. 7. Salmon, mackerel, and fish with omega-3s. Fish are a great source of lean protein. Fatty fish like mackerel and salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and lower triglycerides. In addition to these fish sources, trout contains vitamin D. Foods rarely contain vitamin D, and this hormone-like vitamin has properties that can lower blood pressure. 8. Seeds. Unsalted seeds are high in potassium, magnesium, and other minerals known to reduce blood pressure. Enjoy 1/4 cup of sunflower, pumpkin, or squash seeds as a snack between meals. 9. Garlic and herbs. One review trusted source notes that garlic can help reduce hypertension by increasing the amount of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps promote vasodilation, or the widening of arteries, to reduce blood pressure. Incorporating flavorful herbs and spices into your daily diet can also help you cut back on your salt intake. Examples of herbs and spices you can add include basil, cinnamon, thyme, rosemary, and more. 10. Dark chocolate. A 2015 study found that eating dark chocolate is associated with a lower risk for cardiovascular disease (CVD). The study suggests that up to 100 grams per day of dark chocolate may be associated with a lower risk of CVD. Dark chocolate contains more than 60% cocoa solids and has less sugar than regular chocolate. You can add dark chocolate to yogurt or eat it with fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. As a healthy dessert, find a great selection of dark chocolate on Amazon.com. 11. Pistachios. Pistachios are a healthy way to decrease blood pressure by reducing peripheral vascular resistance, or blood vessel tightening, and heart rate. One study trusted source found that a diet with 1 serving of pistachios a day helps reduce blood pressure. You can incorporate pistachios into your diet by adding them to crusts, pesto sauces, and salads, or by eating them plain as a snack. 12. Olive oil. Olive oil is an example of a healthy fat. It contains polyphenols, which are inflammation-fighting compounds that can help reduce blood pressure. Olive oil can help you meet your 2 to 3 daily servings of fat as part of the DASH diet. See below for more about this diet. It's also a great alternative to canola oil, butter, or commercial salad dressing. 13. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are a healthy fruit that you can enjoy raw or as a juice. One study concluded that drinking a cup of pomegranate juice once a day for 4 weeks helps lower blood pressure over the short term. Pomegranate juice is tasty with a healthy breakfast. Be sure to check the sugar content in store-bought juices, as the added sugars can negate the health benefits.